Kembali lagi ke channel What channel? Danovia. Oke, hari ini Ariana tidak ke sekolah because she need to go and see
hospital
doctor to see her teeth, to check up for her teeth. Oke guys, hari ini saya mau buat video mengenai hari kita orang tinggal di kawasan perkampungan yang transportation memang so difficult. Sebab kita in the middle of nowhere, not in the city. If you want to go macam mau naik train, mau naik bus kan, kena drive dalam half an hour gitu. Kawasan sana akan ada banyak train, bus, but where we live, betul-betul kampung, perkampungan. Transportation is really bad, so everybody have to have a car. Kalau tiada car, memang so difficult. And saya baru balik dari antar Maya Bell sekolah dia dalam 5 menit, tapi kalau jalan kaki dalam 25 menit juga. Hari ini saya mau juga bagi tengok anda apa pekerja part time saya buat, sebab saya kan suri rumah. Kalau budak-budak pergi sekolah, apa usually saya buat. The problem we have, kereta kita orang rosak, need to be repaired. So kita sudah antar ke mekanik beberapa kali, tapi apa yang dia orang buat, dia orang cuma tukar dia punya spark plug. But the problem is coming back again after I think 6 weeks we send to the car repair. We don't know what's the problem really, because they always keep saying that engine fault, repair needed. The garage cannot find any fault. Mau ke sana, ke garage tuh jauh. Kalau drive dalam 15 menit, kalau jalan kaki dalam 1 jam setengah. The challenge we have to send the car around 11:30. Ariana punya appointment pula 1:45. So we have to stay there until Ariana punya appointment. If the car, they take the car to repair, we have to walk home. But if not, we don't need to walk. There is a bus once a day only, tapi bus timing dia too early, 10:30, so it's not suitable for us. Kemungkinan besar kita orang akan berjalan kaki. Mau call taxi tu datang daripada area yang besar sikit, so dia akan charge you dari sana, dari started point, then they pick you up and then coming back here. Maybe around 40-50 euro is too much. Mau naik train, tiada train. Mau naik bus only once a day. Mau naik basikal, tiada basikal. Mau naik skuter, tiada skuter. So we have to walk home. Okay, Nana? Kena kuat kaki ya hari ini. Nah, jalan banyak tau. Saya pun mau pergi pos barang, sebab saya nih ada jual barang-barang macam second hand lah. Contoh yang sebarang saya jual tuh pakaian yang kita orang tidak guna sudah, atau kadang saya pergi pasar kan, saya jumpa pakaian yang ada good brand, jadi saya boleh jual dia second hand. So hari ini saya ada 2 barang kena hantar. Mami ini tutup first. So saya jual buku dengan buku cerita bahasa Inggris dengan bag jenama Kipling di kedai Charity. Oke, kejap. Mami finish the video first. Saya beli 2 euro, saya jual 13 euro. So itu macam side income saya juga lah. Tapi tidak selalu lah saya menjual, kadang saja. Just wait Nana. Kadang ada orang panggil saya pergi buat urut, so saya kadang je lah, kadang itu pun tidak selalu ya. Kadang saya pergi, oke 2 minutes. Kadang saya pergi urut orang di rumah dia orang, adalah sikit-sikit dalam 50 euro, 60 euro satu jam. Suami saya kerja apa? Dia ke bisnis sendiri. Kalau bisnis sendiri ini ada up and down dia juga ya. Kadang bagus, kadang tidak bagus. Oke, most of the time tuh tidak berapa bagus lah, sebab dia pun baru juga dalam bidang. Kadang oke, kadang tidak. So saya pun kena juga lah cari income, side income kan. It's not necessary, tapi saya nih biasa sudah kerja. Kalau ada yang saya boleh buat, saya buat. Kalau mengenai YouTube saya pula, ya saya buat video, but I'm not earning that much. Sebab saya tidak banyak subscribers, and video pun tidak selalu upload, jadi paling banyak tuh 10 euro. Paling sedikit tuh kalau tidak post video, kalau ada post video 1 bulan no, 2-3 euro lah gitu. Oke, kena rajin YouTube nih. Tapi kalau anda support saya, tengoklah video saya, like, dia kan share. Jadi bolehlah saya more money from YouTube hopefully, but that's what it is kan. Saya harap video-video yang saya post boleh menghiburkan anda semua, oke? See if we have to walk 1.5 hours. Bagus juga lah untuk exercise, but we see. What? You want to become a big sister?
Yeah.
And you're gonna take care of the baby?
Yeah.
How are you gonna take care?
Like this with the stroller.
Is it? You don't want to carry it?
That's because I headache.
Why you got a headache?
This is the light.
So your baby waking up now. Now we are in Citroen garage. We send the car. They said the problem with the car. We wait here, Nana. We wait for Daddy. The problem with the car is actually in the car there is 4 cylinders that make the car moving. First they changed the spark plug, and that's not the problem. And now the problem is actually 3 of the cylinder is working, but 1 is not working. So the 3 cylinder keep pushing the other cylinder to keep moving. That's why the car got that problem. So now they try to repair it. Hopefully they can repair today. Open big. So di Spanyol kalau makan di luar dia selalu ada bread dengan aioli, garlic paste, garlic and mayonnaise, and tomato, real tomato. Sedap, Nana? Show mommy the bread.
And then there's one.
Daddy got gluten-free bread tadi. Wow, look at Daddy. And mommy got the fish. Okay, which one you want to eat? How was it, Daddy? Try a bit, Daddy. Is it? It's cooked perfectly. I think you just need lemon. I also need lemon.
I also need
Nani, you can need broccoli. That's a fruits, Nana.
An apple. Sedap.
How was the lunch, Daddy?
Oh, it was so good, wasn't it?
So good lunch we have. Daniel have like paella with vegetable. I got fish. Really, really good. Then now we walk to the car.
Ariana had pineapple, fresh pineapple, and then you had
Fish.
and for dessert you
Flapjack.
had flapjack, not flapjack,
No,
chocolate
no.
brownie.
Yeah, but it's
Cream.
can't really finish it because it's too much. And now we're going to see the car if it's ready. Not ready. We have a friend coming. It's a fan actually because she is watching my YouTube video from England and she emailed me. And this is the first time I'm gonna meet her. She's actually Singaporean married with English. So yeah, we thought we're gonna walk for 1 hour and a half, but we see. That's our car. Need to check again. What's happened to our car, Nana? Hey, little girl, look at mommy. What you doing? Huh? We're waiting for Daddy to try the car.
Mommy, what's this apple called?
It's the fruits.
Mommy, what's this apple called?
Can you sing?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, P, Q, R, S, diamond, sky, little star,
They do some repairing and charge us for €100, but there is other problem with it.
The problem is on one of the 4 cylinders, and they can't tell which one of the 4 it is. So the engine was low with oil, they put more engine oil, and now the problem's much better. That was one of the major causes of it. But it's not solved it exactly. But they can't tell unless I get a light on the car that tells us this is the problem, it's in this cylinder. And so there's nothing they can do until that happens. But the problem is sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. What can you do? Just keep paying them another €100 just to put more oil in every month.
I tell Daniel, let's just sell this car and then buy a better car.
Yeah, it's a good idea. But the guy in the garage said, yeah. And I said, but the problem is maybe I can't sell it. And he said, well, a lot of people know that these engines have this problem, and so they're difficult to sell.
They sell them. We don't know, we try. But people don't do research, they don't know about this.
I mean, I researched it. I've always known Citroen to be good cars. They've just tried to make a lot of money with this one and produce a car with a really cheap little Citroen engine, and they've just made this car badly.
So we met our friend. She's behind driving there, and now we bring them to the house. Because if they come, maybe we can ask for the lift, but we don't need to leave our car, they will find. Oke guys, itu saja video kita kali ini. Kawan kita orang yang tadi itu pun sudah balik, dan we will meet her again on next Friday, this coming Friday. And thank you so much for watching our video. Bye, bye Nana.
No.
Narena penat. Bye, bye Maya Ben.